Welcome back to the new tutorial, guys. In this tutorial, we'll be building a full e-commerce wave application. All right. So here in our homepage, we'll have this explore product option from where we can search for the product, right? And then we have this sorting options where we can sort the product in an ascending or descending order, or price high to low and low to high. And also we have pagination filter over here. And then for getting the detail of the product, we have this product detail page from where we can see the bunch of images for the product, and we'll have this kind of animation. All right, and we can also increase or decrease the quantity from the product detail page. So let's add to cart, and as you can see the real-time state management over there. Let's go to cart page where we'll have list of products, and we can also change the quantity from here, and as you can see the real-time calculation over there. And let's go back to products and let's search for another product, and let's go for this one. So view details, and let's add to cart, and we can see the real-time state management. And as you can see, right, so we can also remove the product if you want. And let's fill up the form, and let's proceed to checkout, and let's fill up this contact information card and then process, and our payment is successful. Let's go back to products, and we'll also have this dark and light theme. So we'll be working with everything, including sliders, paginations, searching, animations, payment integrations, API integrations, and all of the thing. All right. So in our next chapter, we'll be starting setting up our project.